Hey guys, welcome to HowMuchDeal, the best bread maker machines of 2025 combine convenience, versatility, and precision to elevate your baking experience. Featuring customizable settings, multiple loaf sizes, and specialty options like gluten-free and pizza dough, these machines cater to all baking needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, these top-rated models ensure consistently delicious results with minimal effort. If any of the products shown interest you, you will find quick access to purchase them through the links provided in the video description. So, let's go find them out. 5. The EUHOMY bread maker is suitable for beginners, with an intuitive design and 13 clearly marked functions for easy use. The large 2-pound capacity can bake larger loaves for family gatherings, and the fruit and nut dispenser ensures even distribution of ingredients for personalized baking. It offers many baking options such as plain whole wheat, French, and even gluten-free bread. Its powerful 650 watts motor ensures fast baking with quiet operation, perfect for early morning or late night bakers. The digital control panel, along with a 13-hour timer and a 1-hour keep warm function, make this machine reliable and easy to use. Whether you're making bread dough or pastries, the EUHOMY bread maker brings convenience and quality to your kitchen. 4. The Dash stainless steel bread maker makes it easy to prepare fresh, traditional, and artisan loaves of bread at home. With a 1.5-pound capacity, this compact and stylish machine offers 12 pre-programmed bread settings, including French whole wheat and gluten-free bread, all at the touch of a button. Its automatic fruit, nut, and filling dispenser allows for even greater customization, making each loaf unique. A 13-hour delay timer ensures your bread is always fresh and piping hot on time. Its easy-to-clean stainless steel exterior and non-stick PTFE interior make maintenance easy, while its compact design fits seamlessly into any kitchen. This machine simplifies the baking process and enhances your home baking experience. 3. The OSIPOTO bread maker is the perfect choice for beginners, offering an easy and convenient way to enjoy freshly baked bread at home. With 17 customizable programs, it caters to all your baking needs, from basic loaves to gluten-free bread, jam, and even yogurt. Its large capacity, 2 pounds, is ideal for families or gatherings, and the 3 loaf sizes and crust settings offer a fully customized baking experience. Its powerful 600-watt motor ensures quick and efficient baking with even heat distribution, while its quiet operation makes it ideal for early morning or late night baking. A 15-hour delay timer lets you have fresh bread waiting for you when you need it, and the keep warm function ensures it maintains the ideal temperature. The non-stick pan makes cleanup quick and easy. 2. The Cuisinart bread maker makes homemade baking an everyday pleasure with its versatile, compact design. Offering a variety of crust colors and loaf sizes and 12 pre-programmed menu options, it caters to a wide range of baking needs, including gluten-free and artisan breads, cakes, and even jams. The machine automatically mixes, kneads, rises, bakes, and keeps your bread warm, making it easy to enjoy fresh, delicious loaves. Its LCD display provides a clear view of the countdown, current cycle, and selected options, while a 13-hour delay start timer ensures convenience. With a removable, non-stick baking tray for easy cleanup and a small footprint, it's perfect for any kitchen. Voice prompts for removing the beater and adding mix make the process seamless, and a 60-minute keep warm cycle ensures your bread stays at the perfect temperature. 1. The Panasonic bread maker offers an easy and convenient way to bake delicious breads, cakes, pizza dough, and even gluten-free desserts. With precise temperature control and a dual temperature sensor, it ensures perfect results every time by adjusting the time to ensure optimal dough rising and resting. The unique kneading blade and rib tray design deliver artisan results with a perfect texture. The raisin/nut dispenser ensures even distribution of ingredients, while 20 automatic programs, 3 loaf sizes, and 3 dough settings give you complete control over your baking preferences. Manual settings provide flexibility for custom recipes, and the Quick Start Guide and 27 recipes make it easy to start baking immediately. With a 13-hour delay timer, you can enjoy fresh, warm bread anytime, while saving counter space thanks to its horizontal design.